friends, Crafty Queen Bee, that's me. Today I'm here to show you an idea if you're needing a last minute gift or if you're needing a last minute decoration for an area in your home, perhaps maybe a snack table, your main table, or your mantle. Boy, have I got a fast and quick and cheap idea for you to make something very pretty. All right, things you're gonna need are poster stickers, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need some wide ribbon, and friends, get in there and dig in your craft stash and find some ribbon. I'm at that point right now. I'm trying not to buy any more ribbon. All right, you're gonna need 3 candles, the plain white ones from the Dollar Tree, a pair of scissors, and you're gonna need some skinny ribbon of your choice. One of these picks with little greenery on it and maybe little berries. I'm gonna use these little pine cones, and they came off a package from Walmart that had 9 of them for $1.98. And then just 2 little leaves that I cut off some poinsettia bushes. All right, and a glue gun. Let's get started. All right, I cheated. I already started on one, but let me show you how easy it is to put this craft and decoration together. I'm gonna make sure that I find the center. Here's the seam, and here's the other seam. And I'm just using hot glue. I do realize that when the candle gets hot, it may melt everything off, but I will go back and reinforce the ribbon with the E6000. Went ahead and folded it. Okay, you find the seam on this one is right there and right there. So this is a good start for the ribbon here. This goes pretty fast, and it makes such a pretty decoration. Ouch, that burnt. Okay, after you get that ribbon on, what I did was I just started with the little leaf. Oh, maybe I can do this upside down. Or maybe not. Let's see. Okay, I just put my little leaf down. I don't want to use those good scissors on that. I'll just deal with it because it's not going to show. Okay, just hold that on there. Add some more glue to it. Take one of these berries. And you can use whatever you have, and it'll look cute either way. I'm gonna go ahead and add this little bow to it. There's the second one. Now for the third one. Put some little glue back here. I'll turn it the opposite way. Grab a berry. Maybe we don't have enough glue there. All right, looks like I'm running low on the little pieces of greenery, but I'll make it work. There we go, make it look like it was a long piece. I'm just gonna make a little bow. Trim that. It amazes me how easy it is to put something together so quickly and make it look so pretty. And you don't spend a bunch of money on it either. I'm all about that. Do have to apply a little pressure on that bow to get it to stay on. Oh, these are so cute. The next step, we are going to put some letters on them. Let's see. See if I can line them all up. Ooh. Get rid of some of this stuff. I think I'll put this one in the middle. Oh, it's gonna be fun trying to keep these lined up. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is look for the J. Here it is. And I think I'm just gonna place it right about there. Bet you can guess what I'm gonna spell on these. And here's the Y. J-O-Y, joy. it looks like the Y is slightly bigger than the rest of the letters. Makes it look kind of wonky there, but we'll work with it. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? There you go, friends. Joy. This is a fun, easy, inexpensive DIY. You ought to try it. You'll love it. Friends, join me next time. We have more videos to share with you. And friends, if you have a choice between being kind and being right, choose to be kind. Then you will always be right. Love y'all.